Good morning, first one of the day. This is a returning client with his Yamaha XJR1300. I have done this a couple of times before, but over 4 years ago, he said. It has been sitting, so it is in desperate need of a bit of trot TLC. I've talked him into going with one of our full works packages on this, as the paintwork is in serious need of some TLC. So we're going to do a full works package, which will include a 2-stage machine polish on the tank, side covers, mud guard, all the painted bits, and then we will coat those with the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. Get all these wheels all tidied up. They're looking a bit sad for themselves. Same as this exhaust, we'll get that all minted up like new and get it looking like it should. Such a lovely bike, these old XJRs. These calipers all minted, it's looking a little sad. Like I said, it has been stored up for 4+ years, he said. So let's work a little trot TLC. Oh, it's got a bit of pitting going on there. Let's work a little trot TLC. Get that paintwork looking like it should. Get some XCP corrosion protection on it, and get some Ultimaxx ceramic on all the bodywork. Give me a few hours. Alright, this Yamaha XJR1300 is coming along nicely. It's been thoroughly washed, degreased, decontaminated, just polished up all that exhaust. Look at that, it's come up as new. Everything's been treated down on the lower half. Now it's time to crack on with some paint correcting. It looks awful, got loads of staining on it. We got our work cut out for us with this. It's such a lovely bike. So we're going to do a 2-stage machine polish, see if we can get a bit of depth back into this paint, remove some of that staining and marks, and then we'll treat it to the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic. So let's have a little run, see if we can improve this. There you go, 3 hours and 15 minutes. This Yamaha XJR1300 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our full works packages, which did include a 2-stage machine polish. We then treated it all with the Ultimaxx Signature quartz I ended up putting on this. As it had quite a few scratches on, it should cover those up and prevent any further. Look at the gloss on that. Oh my goodness. Everything's been meticulously cleaned, prepped, treated. Absolutely gleaming. 3 hours, 15 minutes, trot full works package. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. 07966 249 963.